Today, I'm taking you through a day in my life with the brand new Surface laptop, now in the 13-inch. Good thing my Surface laptop is super sleek and compact, so I can just grab it and go. The high-res touchscreen is perfect for online shopping or updating my projects. One thing I love about the Surface laptop, the battery lasts all day. No charger, no stress, just pure productivity. This thing is crazy fast. Thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, I can run multiple apps at once, zero lag. I can't forget about Copilot. It's like having my own AI assistant right at my fingertips. And with the Surface laptop's stunning display and Dolby Premium audio, everything looks crisp and sounds amazing. Sleek, compact design, a great touchscreen, epic battery life, powerful performance, and a built-in AI assistant to keep me on track.